We are 1 week out from this facelift, as well as a lip lift and earlobe reconstruction. So I'm just showing you close up, as ladies asked for some privacy, but what has happened with your earlobe is that it's really lengthened over time. And so I did a little bit of a video and a photo before of how I've done this, almost like a gauge earring, where I've shortened the earlobe and I put micro fat in there to blend this up and improve this. And you can see the incisions very well hidden. Even now at a week, you really barely can see them. They're just hidden around here. Going down to the lower face here, the lip is slightly swollen. This is a lip lift. You can see the incisions are pretty well healed right now. Open your mouth. You can see the teeth start. Smile for me. Good, looks really pretty. That's a week out. Not much swelling. I've done micro fat into the lower lip as well. This is to help balance the appearance of the top and bottom lips. I've done nano fat to the upper lip to manage wrinkles as well. And if we go over here, you can see the other side. I'm being very careful to only show the lower face. These are the incisions. The same thing over here I've done, which is I've done that cleft earlobe repair where it's sort of sagging, shortened the whole thing. Injected micro fat. Micro fat essentially is a fat that is much smoother and softer than regular fat, and it allows me to get still structural integrity without having much swelling and without too much augmentation. It's a gentler. So this is the ear. I'm tilting it up so I don't show the face here. The incision just goes around here, across here on the back side of the ear. Turn a little bit to that way so that, and you can see going around like that. And that's basically it. And that's the whole thing.